Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you how I make chicken fried steak. You will need all-purpose flour, pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. You want to make sure all of the ingredients are evenly mixed together, like so. Crack all of your eggs into a bowl. For this project, I used 3 eggs. Whisk the eggs very well. Grab your cube steak and dip it into the seasoned flour until it's evenly coated. I like to do this so that the egg has something to grab onto. Make sure that you completely cover the cube steak in the egg so that whenever you dip it back into your flour, it sticks well. Pat the flour onto the cube steak until you have a thick layer of seasoned flour. Repeat this step with the rest of your cube steak. Be prepared to have very messy hands when you're done. Put oil into a frying pan. I used vegetable oil. Heat your oil until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It is always best to use a cooking thermometer with this step so you always know what temperature your oil is. Carefully place your cube steak into the oil. Allow it to cook for at least 6 to 7 minutes on one side. After 6 to 7 minutes, carefully flip the steak and let it cook for another 4 to 5 minutes, or until it is done to your liking. And then there you go. You have made your very own homemade chicken fried steak. Now just pair it with some mashed potatoes, white gravy, and your choice of vegetable, and you will have yourself a delicious country fried dinner. If you like this video, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching Tilly TV.